Hello everyone. So today I'm going to be showing you how to change the fuel pump on a single carbureted snowmobile. So that means it's going to have 3 lines on it: your vacuum line, your out gas line, and your in gas line. So we're going to start by just pulling the vacuum off. Then you're going to want to take your other gas lines off. Now you're going to need an 11mm, an extension. There's going to be 2 bolts diagonally across from each other. There's going to be 2 nuts, and then you should be able to pull the fuel pump off. Alright, so we have our new fuel pump, and I don't know if you can see that or not, guys, but there's an arrow in and an arrow out, so we want to make sure we're flowing the right way. Make sure it's on there all the way. Start your nuts by hand. You're going to need our 11mm socket again to tighten these up. You're going to want them fairly snug. Wouldn't tighten them too much. Might strip it, but so now that we got the pump in there, we got to hook our fuel lines up. Simply slide them on. Now, don't forget your suction line. We're ready to go ripping.